Welcome to Politics on the Wheel with Jay, and this is Elite TV. The Presidential Petition Tribunal, sitting in appeal court in Abuja, passed her judgment on the 6th of September 2023. And there was an appeal by PDP Atiku Abubakar and Labour Party candidate, His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi, at the highest court of the land, the Supreme Court, of which the judgment has been brought forward to 26th of October, which is today, 2023. As we speak, people are gathering within the environs of the Supreme Court as tightening of security is announced, and it's happening right here in Abuja. Now, I'm bringing to you a press release by His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi. There you go, about the judicial system and the need for Nigeria, to uphold the rule of law against any form of corruption that will bring down our young democracy. But before I bring that to you, let me quickly let you know that the legislators that we have in Nigeria, as many Nigerians believe that they are no longer legislators but legislators, they have come out to defend the reason why they were able to obtain over 100 million naira vehicles. And I have this video that I'm going to play for you of when Shehu of Channels Television, did the needful by scrutinizing this lawmaker to tell Nigerians. And in fact, he indicted the lawmakers and Nigerian politicians over the high level of decadence in our infrastructural, our infrastructures and also development in Nigeria. So, but before I give you that video, here is what His Excellency Mr. Obi said about our legal system. According to him, he said, the rule of law and the credibility of leadership. Still on the identity crisis and controversy that continue to haunt Nigerian and the power since the February 25th, 2023 general election. There is this saying, it is not title that honor men, but men that honor titles. According to him, the lofty title that decorate people in power have little meaning if there is a haloes and falsehood underneath them. Such title which adore those in public office means nothing if they are not originally and are fake, if those who bear them have no honor to support the weight of the title they carry. In situation where there is public doubt as to the veracity and authenticity of those titles and the claims behind them, it is the judicial role when called upon to uphold the honor of the title through transparent ruling. Only through such judicial intervention can the public be protected from the tyranny of dubious and duplication character and identity fraudsters. His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi has gone for violence. Let's go further. And he said, in such situation, the judiciary has been bounding duty to protect society's value system. This is one of the obligations of an important judiciary in a democracy. The rule of law remains the lifeblood of democracy in all society and by whatever definition across time. It remains the foundation for all our fundamental rights as humans. It is a rule of law that binds society together. The expectation by the high and low alike that their rights will be protected and respected by few judges in transparent court is what keeps citizens. Loyalty and belief in democracy. People, irrespective of their station in life, approach the court whenever they feel their rights are as in expectation that fair courts will render justice to them according to law. However, when the fairness of the judiciary is not assured and the transparency of judiciary operative is uncertain, the rule of law will come under severe threats. Once ordinary people lose faith in the fairness of the judiciary, the rule of law is threatened. Hi, this one enter me. Let me pause. What Peter Obi is trying to say is that there will be no hope coming out of the Supreme Court today. The presidential, petition case will come to an end today, 26th of October 2023. But from this body language of one of the major opposition in this election, it shows that maybe Oga don't see wetin won't happen. So let me give you the details going further. With it, faith in democracy comes under threat as well. A society is endangered when the rule of the powerful and the rule of the rich and the mighty replace the rule of law. When that happens, justice becomes a commodity to be trended between the rich and powerful and the courts of corrupt judiciary operative. When a democracy is based on false justice, it opens society to apparent danger. Government becomes subject to impunity and casual violation of the rights of ordinary citizens. The rich and powerful can trample on the right of the lower, as there are no consequences for infraction or lawless acts. This can be groundwork for a democracy to graduate into an autocracy. He concluded by saying, the US President Joe Biden could not be more apt when he said, for any young democracy, the most difficult but important step is burying the legacy of tyranny and establishing an economy and a government and institutions that abide by the rule of law. P.O. It is obvious that His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi is aware that the judgment that will come out of this Supreme Court today, 26th of February 2023, will be nothing but a kangaroo kind of judgment like the one we had at the tribunal. If Tinubu is to be upheld today as the 16th president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and you know Nigeria as the most populous black nation on earth, having Tinubu to be the president with all the allegation on his head, identity theft, among other issues, then I don't know the fate of Nigeria going forward. If the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is to be, upheld today, according to the Independent National Electoral Commission's, declaration back in March, if the court upheld that decision today, knowing fully well that the allegation of certificate forgery has, come to an end when the Chicago State University, said that they did not authenticate that certificate and that it never emanated from them, meaning that the certificate was forged. Then, with the drug trafficking issues, money laundering, among other related issues surrounding this criminal issues surrounding the president, then it is very unfortunate for the most populous black nation on earth. It will come a long way to talk about the image of Nigeria. What do you think about this? Up next is the lawmaker who indicted themselves, the politicians, over the over 100 million naira vehicle purchase for them. Stay tuned as I bring you the video. Please do it to stay civil as you make your comment, because the Nigerian politicians don't care about you but themselves. Thanks for watching.